Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. This is my complete full review about the iQOO 9 device after using close to 15 days of usage. Yes friends, it's been 15 days of using the iQOO 9 device. I'm getting so many comments regarding this iQOO 9 smartphone. Is it worth to buy or not? Can you please give us the complete review? So finally I thought of making a video which might clear a lot of doubts regarding the iQOO 9 device. So this iQOO 9 device which I'm trying to use is a 8GB RAM version, as you can clearly see friends. And definitely I'll try to talk about iQOO 7 and iQOO 9 SE as well. So how much different this iQOO 9 gonna make when you compare with those smartphones. So that's what I'll try to include here and there in this video. And this video I'll try to talk about each and every aspect about the performance, display, camera, battery charging, build quality, connectivity and the software updates. What are the things I did like in this device as well regarding the iQOO 9 smartphone. Right now when it comes to the price, there's an offer going on which is a 4,000 rupees instant discount on all bank cards, as you can clearly see friends, 4,000 rupees. So this offer was there for a pretty long time in this iQOO 9 device. So you can actually buy this iQOO 9 device for about 38,990, so which is kind of close to 39,000 the price of the iQOO 9 exactly is. And for this 39,000 what you're getting is the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, as you can see regarding the performance matter. So in terms of the performance wise, day-to-day task, you should not have any kind of issues in this iQOO 9 device especially. So it doesn't matter what apps you open, nothing much major complaints. And even regarding the performance wise, the Battlegrounds mobile game by default it did support the 90 fps without any kind of issues, so no problem with the performance. And regarding the heating thing, yes, there is little bit kind of heating is going on in the iQOO 9 device, so which is exactly similar to the iQOO 9 SE device. Yes, same, it's not too much, it's exactly same like the Snapdragon 888 series. How the heating is there, same kind of heating I did observe in this iQOO 9 device. If you want complete clarity about this iQOO 9 device, so make sure to go to my YouTube channel and find this playlist which is iQOO 9 playlist, and try to watch the videos which I did upload regarding the battery draining thing as well. So you'll be able to observe the battery temperature, phone temperature is exactly same like the iQOO 9 SE. Even 5 times of annual benchmark test I did do in this iQOO 9 device, and it was able to maintain pretty stable performance as well. So in the iQOO 9 smartphone, so you can check CPU throttling results for 30 minutes of time, and annual benchmark test 5 times, which is kind of close to 1 hour of doing, I think 45 minutes of 1 hour of doing annual benchmark test. So try to watch these two videos, you will definitely get to know about this iQOO 9 device. So regarding the performance and heating problems, so don't think much, so don't get afraid, like it's exactly same like the iQOO 9 SE. So hopefully with the next future updates the optimization can be improved. And right now by default 90 fps you do get in the Battlegrounds mobile game. So you don't need to use game frame interpolation, don't use that, because that will definitely mess up your game, because it's still not optimized that well. So same thing is happening with iQOO 9 SE also, it's not that optimized. So hopefully with the next updates they might fix the gyro issues and lag issues as well. But right now there's another special mode which is called the pressure sensitive trigger options as well. By using this pressure sensitive triggers, you can actually select any particular button as a pressure sensitive, like when you apply the pressure, that button will get activated. That's what the usefulness of this exactly. As you can see right now I'm trying to press in this right side, you can see the button is getting activated. So that's how it actually works exactly in this iQOO 9 device. So regarding the performance wise friends, nothing much major problems. And if you try to look at the benchmarks, in case if you want to know about the benchmarks, this will be the benchmark scores: 8,38,000, 8,45,000 will be there. And regarding the CPU throttling graphs, I'll try to show you the graphs as well. So these are the throttling it is 80 to 85%. This the throttling percentage will be varying in this phone. So overall regarding performance wise I'm really happy, mainly because of Battlegrounds mobile game default 90 fps is provided. That's fantastic. And next thing, let's move to the display part. Display is another really biggest best advantage for the iQOO 9 device. Yes, it's pretty good display wise. So there are a couple of things which I would like to talk about. So first thing is about the very good bezels. As you can see the very thin bezels. That bezels looks pretty amazing in this device. And when you try to watch any kind of HDR content, it looks fantastic. Like you'll get really very good immersive kind of experience because of this less thin bezels overall. And HDR videos, they play pretty good. This is a HDR video which I'm trying to play right now, which plays fantastic without any kind of much issues regarding the HDR playback in this device. You can see friends, the phone actually supports up to 4K HDR playback directly in the YouTube application. So that's really very good regarding the display. No doubt this is a 10-bit panel which is really fantastic, and there is no flickering which is going on in this device. So other two panels like iQOO 7 and the iQOO 9 SE, they do have the flickering in the low light environment mode. But iQOO 9 device doesn't have any kind of flickering effect. So this is very good panel what the iQOO they have used. So when it comes to the iQOO 9 SE, iQOO 7, they both have similar panel. So same thing, nothing much difference you're gonna observe. But display wise, I did like in the iQOO 9 device. That's the one biggest plus point. So even while watching normal videos also, I did like to watch in the iQOO 9 device instead of other two smartphones. So big thumbs up for the display wise. It's definitely worth spending extra money for this very good display. In my opinion, I can definitely say that. So once you start using 10-bit panel, you can definitely notice the difference when you use other panel. Next thing is about the camera part. So regarding the camera also friends, no doubt this also has got pretty advantages. So gimbal stabilization, that works really fantastic. And regarding the front cam, it's kind of okay. As you can see, these are the front cam shots which are taken outdoor shots, so which seems to be kind of pretty good. Nothing much better problems, as you can see. The clarity in the front cam details. So if there is any kind of very good lighting effect, the front cam will look pretty good in this device. And this is a stabilization video recording which I did record in this iQOO 9 device, especially using the stabilization gimbal recording, and the stabilization looked pretty good in terms of the overall. So definitely friends, for the video I can definitely say that the camera wise, the iQOO 9 is pretty good in terms of the camera wise. So even with the night mode shots also, the phone was able to handle pretty good night mode shots. Nothing much huge difference with the night mode shots. I did take completely in the darkness as well. Night mode shots were really very good in this device, in the iQOO 9 device. So no doubt friends, camera wise is really good. I'm really happy with that. So next thing is about the battery and the charging speed. Charging speed, the phone takes about close to 18 minutes of time to charge completely. If you try to look at the playlist, you will definitely observe. So try to go to the playlist and try to watch the charging time taken to charge. You will find the videos, and definitely it takes only 18 minutes of time. Try to check this video, 120 watts Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge versus iQOO 9, because both phones, they do have the 120 watts. You will be able to understand exactly what's happening here. So charging wise, no issues. Even during this summer time, I did do the charging test. My phone did take 18 to 20 minutes. That's it. That's how the charging speed is. Regarding the battery backup, you can actually expect up to screen on time, maybe between close to 6 to 6.5 hours screen on time can be possible. So I was using with the 120 Hz full high refresh rate, and even I will try to use this live wallpapers as well in the background. Even with this kind of intense usage, the phone was able to easily survive like one day. Do not expect 2 days, but one day it definitely possible in the iQOO 9 device. This is what my screen on time is exactly, and build quality wise also another biggest plus point. As I said, the phone feels very premium quality. When you're trying to hold in your hand, definitely I can say that I did feel it's kind of premium build quality. Not like the iQOO 9 SE, because iQOO 9 SE and iQOO 7 device, they both have similar kind of build quality. Like I did not feel any difference. So that's what I'm trying to talk about. I did not feel any difference. So, but if you try to pay extra money, you will feel definitely a difference. So that's what I'm trying to mention. Yes, they are kind of really less priced than the iQOO 9 device, but if you want that kind of premium feel when you're trying to hold the phone in the hand, then definitely go for this device. And haptic feedback is also pretty good, kind of close to iQOO 7 device regarding the haptic feedback. And in-display fingerprint scanner also pretty fast, nothing much problems regarding the in-display fingerprint scanner, not much major issues. It was able to scan pretty fast and accurate, no issues with that. So build quality wise, dual speakers which works really fantastic, no issues. And only this bottom bezels, you can see how thin they are. That's really fantastic. This is what makes the feel of this premium phone in this iQOO 9 device. So build quality wise, I'm really happy with this. And connectivity wise also, the phone was able to connect with the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities and more 5G bands. 4G plus is also supported. So connectivity wise also, no issues with that. And software updates, Android 12, it came out of the box. So we're going to expect Android 13 and Android 14. That's what you can actually expect in this device. Android 13 and Android 14 to be the future updates. So overall, if you ask me, Sai, can you please tell us the final conclusion what it is? If you do have the budget to spend like 39,000, this much of money, 39,000, then go for it. You can see the RAM management, how good the RAM management it is. From the beginning to till now, I did open this Amazon application, and still it was able to keep exactly in the RAM management. So RAM management, nothing much major problems I do have in this device. So if you do have the budget to spend up to 39,000 rupees, so definitely go for this iQOO 9 device if you have the budget. And there are a couple of things like optimization need to be done a little bit kind of more, since this processor and this phone released recently, right? I cannot expect everything to be perfect on the day one. So same thing has happened with the iQOO 7 device. With the software updates, the heating issues and some of the optimization has been done. Hopefully the iQOO will also fix the issues in the iQOO 9 device. If you have the budget to go, then go for the iQOO 9 device. So do not hesitate for that. If you don't have the budget and if you're short with the budget, go for the iQOO 9 SE or maybe iQOO 7 device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time for more updates. And overall, I'm really happy with this iQOO 9 device. Not much major complaints, because these complaints are like completely vanished because of this premium build quality and very less bezels and 10-bit panel, which I did like, and fast charging also. So all these were completely vanished because of these advantages. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time for more updates, and bye.